Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, we are from group 3. Our group has 4 group members. My name is Ayuni Sofia, so now I will explain about my question. First, question 1, part A. I will open a saving account which offer an interest rate of 6.5% compounded quarterly with an initial deposit of RM2,600. Find the amount of interest earned after 11 years and 6 months. So we have to come out the important things. P equal to principal, K is interest rate, compounded quarterly equal to M. So you have to fill in the answer and you will get the right answer. B, Hajar invested RM13,000 in Berjaya Unit Trust for 10 years. The investment rate offer was 4% compounded semi-annually for the first 6 years and 5.25% compounded every 4 months for the rest of the period. Calculate the amount accumulated at the end of investment period. So, P equal to principal, K equal to interest rate and compounded equal to M. So, you have to use the formula that followed by the question.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Najwa. I will do question number 2 for part A. The question is, Bella took a personal loan of 35,000 from an MTY bank at K% compounded semi-annually after 15 years and 6 months. The total amount paid was 84,907.23. Determine the nominal interest rate K. First thing first, we need to find I. K in the question above is not given and M is 2 because of semi-annually that has stated in the question. So I will be K per 2. Next, we need to find N using the formula above. So M is 2 and T is how many years Bella took a personal loan. Solve the equation in calculator and we get N is 31. To solve this question, we have to use the formula stated. S is 84,907.23 equals to P is 35,000. I is K per 2 and N is 31. In this question told us to find K. Hence, we have to divide S and P. To remove the bracket, we have to use square root and solve it in the calculator. The answer that we get is 0.029. Bring 2 to the other side, it will be 0.029 times 2 and the final answer is 5.8%. Question is, Ira's father saved 5,660 in a bank at a rate of 12% compounded monthly at her age of 6 years. Find the accumulated amount in the account when Ira's age was 18 years old. First, as usual, we have to find I and N. K is 0.12 and M is 12 because compounded monthly. So I is 0.12 per 12. Next, using the formula for find N, M is 12 and also T is 12 because from 6 years old to 18 years old. So total is 12 years. And N is 144. Using formula stated above, S equals to P is 5,660, 1 plus I which is 0.12 per 12 and N is 144. So calculate this equation in calculator and the accumulated amount when Ira turns 18 years old is 23,718.88 cents. Alright, for the last question is the number of years required if Ira wanted the amount in the account to become RM10,282.50 cents. I is 0.058 per 12. 12 is because compounded monthly and N is 12 times T becomes 12T. Using the formula given, S is 10,282.50 cents equals to P is 5,660. I is 0.058 per 12 and N is 12T. Divide S and P first using calculator. Next, we have to use log in this equation. We need to substitute 12T to the front, use log key and solve log 1.816696113 in calculator. Next, solve 12 log in bracket 1 0.00483333. Next, divide these two amounts and the final answer is 10.3 years.
Hello, my name is Farah. I will do question 1 part B. Find the amount to be invested every 3 months at 7.25% compounded quarterly to accumulate 21,888.27 in 6 years. So, we come out the important things, which is interest rate is 7.5%, compounded quarterly is 4, multiply is 24, and time is 6. So we should use the formula above and enter the value according to the formula, calculate the amount, and yes, you can get the right answer. In question B, Sophia saves 355 every month into an account at 5.25% compounded monthly. Find the number of payment if the amount in the account has accumulated to 39,828.85. The question 1 we find R. So the formula we use log. So first we come out the important things, which is the compounded monthly is 12, the present value is 39,828.85, and the interest rate is 5.25%. So we should use the formula above with log. Enter the value according to the formula and calculate the amount, and you can get the right answer.
My name is Noaiman Sarah. I get the question 2. A. Zulaika bought a piece of land in situ at 145,000. She paid 25% down payment and the balance was settled by making an equal monthly payment at 3.5% compounded monthly for a period of 30 years. First, you have to come out the important things like cash payment, present value, which is A, periodic payment, which is R, and compounded monthly, which is M, time is T, and then you have to using the formula by given, and then you just put the number follow by the formula, and then you have to complete the part in bracket. After that, you have to divide it with 36,400, and then you can get the answer. Question 2. If Zulaika missed the first 6 payment, how much should she pay on the 7th payment to settle the outstanding area? First, you just find the S, because the question 1 S, and then you just using the formula by given, and then you just put the number, and then you can get the answer. Last question. Immediately after Zulaika paying for 26 years, she want to settle the balance of the debt with a single payment. How much should this payment be? First, you have to find the balance of payment, which is 30 multiply 12 is 360. 26 multiply 12 is 312. And then you just use the formula given. And then you just put the number followed by the formula, and then you can get the answer. Thank you. That's all.